Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your classes onto our platform.
From the dashboard, click on the Classes tab at the top of the screen. There's a few ways that you can upload your classes. First up, click on the Upload Classes button. This will then allow you to choose the priority in which your classes are uploaded and give you a rough indication of wait times for your upload. At the bottom, it will show you what details are required for your upload.
Not all these fields are essential. The only essential fields are first name, last name, class name, email address, and a teacher name.
The first step is to download the student list template. From here, you can use it as an Excel spreadsheet or upload it to your Google Drive. You need to ensure that all required fields are filled out accurately. From here, you have a few options. You can send this document straight back to your key contact at EP to upload for you, or you can drag and drop your Excel document or use the Google Drive upload feature. You can upload numerous separate documents at the same time. Teacher lists can also be uploaded using the template attached below. You need to specify here whether it is a teacher or a student upload. On the final page, you have the opportunity to add some notes to send to the uploads team. We do prefer that you upload all of the classes within your school at the same time if possible. The other way you can create a class is by going back to the Classes tab and clicking Create Class. Type in these basic details and ensure that you label your class with their current year level. From here, you can add students manually by either searching for an existing student's name or by clicking Create a new student account. You can also add students by clicking Generate a class join code. Students will go to educationperfect.com and click Login. If they have an existing account, they will log in as per usual, click on their name at the top right corner, and then click Enter Access Code. This will automatically put them into your class. If they don't have an existing account, they will go to the login page on educationperfect.com and click Got a Student Access Code button. Here they will type in that 6-digit access code and the required details to create their account.
Thank you for watching our How to Upload Classes tutorial. We are here to help, so please sing out if you need any help from one of our teacher experts.